Good evening, students. In this class, we will discuss activation energy. At first, according to the collision theory, we know the reaction takes place due to the collision between the reactant molecules. But all the collisions are not effective. In order to make the effective collision, the reactant molecules must have a minimum amount of energy, and that energy is known as threshold energy. So the molecules having energy equal to or more than the threshold energy can only make effective collision. ठीक है ना? जिस मॉलिक्यूल्स का एनर्जी थ्रेशोल्ड एनर्जी के बराबर या उससे ज्यादा होगा उसी का कॉलिजन क्या होगा? इफेक्टिव कॉलिजन होगा. इफेक्टिव कॉलिजन मींस the collision between the molecules which leads to the formation of product. Okay, and if the collision is not effective, the product will not be formed. So the threshold energy, as you know, the minimum amount of energy which the colliding molecule must have in order to make the effective collision. Okay, in order that the collision between them may be effective is called threshold energy, right? Now suppose the average energy of the reactant molecule, average kinetic energy. Different molecules will have different kinetic energy. If you take the average kinetic energy, जैसे 10 मॉलिक्यूल है, 10 मॉलिक्यूल्स का एनर्जी अलग अलग है. E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, E8, E9, E10 अलग अलग काइनेटिक एनर्जी है. लेकिन अगर सभी का काइनेटिक एनर्जी को ऐड करके 10 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो हम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी. Now suppose the average kinetic energy of the molecule of the reactant is 50 joule. Okay, and to make the effective collision, the average energy should be 70 joule. Means this 70 joule is called threshold energy. This is threshold energy. जब तक इतना joule energy नहीं होगा तब तक प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन नहीं हो सकता है, कॉलिजन इफेक्टिव नहीं हो सकता है. जबकि एवरेज एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल्स का कितना है बेटा? 50 जूल. तो 70 माइनस 50 यानी कितना हो गया? दैट इज 20 जूल. Until you supply this 20 joule of energy to the reactant molecules, their collision will not be effective. Okay, means the reaction will not occur. So this 20 joule of energy is known as activation energy. So it is clear that what is activation energy? The minimum extra amount of energy absorbed by the reactant molecule so that their energy becomes equal to threshold energy, okay, is known as activation energy. It is the minimum extra amount of energy absorbed by the reactant molecule so that their energy becomes equal to threshold energy. Is it clear? Or we can say activation energy is the difference between threshold energy and average energy of the reactant molecule, right? See, less is the activation energy if a reaction has less amount of activation energy. Activation energy for a reaction is less, then the reactions will be fast. Is it clear? Right? Like 2NO plus O2. You have seen earlier we had taken two reactions. One was the 2NO plus O2 gas gives 2NO2 gas, right? And the other was 2CO gas plus O2 gas gives 2CO2 gas. Okay, you have seen these reactions when we were discussing the effect of nature of the reactant on the rate of reactions. One of the reaction is fast, this reaction is fast, and this reaction is slow. Do you know why the first reaction is fast? Because this reaction has low value of activation energy. low activation energy, and this reaction has high activation energy. So lower the value of activation energy for a reaction, the reactions will be fast. Is it clear? The activation energy of a reactions will not change with the change in temperature. Is it clear? एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी जो है बेटा वो किसी रिएक्शंस का टेम्परेचर के साथ चेंज नहीं हो सकता है. नाउ बट कैटलिस्ट कैन डिक्रीज द एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी फॉर ऑफ अ रिएक्शन. एक चीज याद रखना, कैटलिस्ट डिक्रीजेस द एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी ऑफ रिएक्शंस. कैटलिस्ट किसी रिएक्शंस का रेट को कैसे बढ़ाता है? बाय डिक्रीजिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. कैटलिस्ट इंक्रीजेस द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन बाय डिक्रीजिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. Okay, now let us consider a reactions profile of an exothermic reaction. What do you mean by reaction profile? Reaction profile. What do you mean by it? Reaction profile means the path followed by the chemical reactions. The path followed by chemical reaction is known as reactions profile. How the reactant is converted into product. Suppose we have a reactant A and B. These are reactant. Okay. When the molecules of A and B will collide each other, and if the collision is effective, first they form an activated complex, but that activated complex will be unstable, and this is known as intermediate or activated complex. Intermediate, or it is also known as activated complex. AC means activated complex. And finally the activated complex, since it is unstable, it decomposes to form product, right? Now here we draw a reactions profile of an exothermic reactions. In reaction profile, on y-axis we are taking energy, and on x-axis we are taking reaction coordinate. What is reaction coordinate? Reaction coordinate indicates the progress of reactions, or the reactions proceed. Okay, reaction coordinate indicates the what? Progress of reaction. Okay, how the energy changes. This reactions profile will indicate how the energy changes when the reactions proceeds. Right? Suppose this is the average energy of reactant. This value indicate the average energy of reactant. This value indicate the average energy of product, right? And this value represent this value represent threshold energy. Okay, the difference between the average energy of reactant and the threshold energy is known as activation energy. When this amount of energy is supplied to the reactant molecule, what will happen, beta? It will go here. This indicates the activated state. But this state is unstable, and finally it decomposes to form what? Product, right? And the difference between the average energy of reactant and the average energy of product represents delta H. In this case, delta H, that is EP minus ER, will be negative. Okay, so this is an example of exothermic reactions. This is called reactions profile of an exothermic reactions. Okay, what is this? This is reaction profile of an exothermic reaction. I think it is clear. What is reactions profile of an exothermic reactions? Similarly, you can draw the reactions profile of an endothermic reaction. But in case of endothermic reactions, the average energy of product will be more than that of reactant. Is it clear? And delta H will be positive in that case. So I think it is clear. Okay, bye.